What's up, everybody? It's your boy David from the Eclectic Electric Transport on YouTube and eLife Behind Bars on Instagram. So today we're gonna make a video on making a video, if that makes any sense. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just show you guys how we made the last video that you've seen. I hope you've seen it on the iPhone. So you're gonna need an iPhone or an Android. You're gonna need the Quick app from GoPro, and you're gonna have to have your Oculus Quest 2 inside Quest set on 1080 so that when you screen record, it records in wide angle, excuse me. So let's go. Set up a camera behind you, set the green screen in front of you, record from behind you. I like to raise my arms to get a starting point. Then inside the Oculus, you're gonna screen record. You're gonna send it to Facebook, download it to your computer. I airdropped it to my iPhone. That's how I got it here. Once you do that, you go to iMovie and you pick the Oculus screen record. So I'll show you what I did. I picked the screen record, I put it in, then I went and now I'm gonna add the green screen. This is all in real time. Excuse me. Gonna add the green screen. This part can get a little tricky. You're gonna have to figure this out on your own. Just know I'm gonna bring you here and you're gonna have to figure out how to line it up video for video. Also, I recommend on the green screen you drop the volume. Use the volume from the Oculus Quest screen record. It sounds better. So after finagling, after going back and forth, after doodling with it, after trying to match it up, and again, I use my raised arms as a starting point, and inside the Oculus screen record, you see the two hands. Just like that, you put them together, and it should be easier. You can come up with your own system. So once you do that, and you go over it again and again like I'm doing here, it can get a little frustrating. But after one or two times, you'll kind of get the idea of it. We're gonna come back and clean up, and I'll explain that to you next. So once you got that going and it's lined up where you want it, you're gonna want to download it back into the phone and then bring it up in iMovie as one movie, not with the green screen on top. Now is when the chopping up begins. So we're gonna put that movie back in iMovie. We're gonna go through it. We're gonna remove parts and points that we don't want to be seen in the video. I find this much easier than doing it with the green screen attached. So again, after you line up your video and mesh them together, download it back into the phone, bring it up in iMovie as one video, and now we can chop it up. Once we do that and figure out our points, we're gonna clean it up a little bit. Sometimes there's some things that you don't wanna see, whether you pause, whether the angle doesn't work for you. You wanna clean it up as much as possible when the video is whole, like what you see down here. It doesn't have the green screen attached on top because it's already meshed, downloaded, then brought back up into iMovie. So once we download it into the phone, we're gonna bring up the Quick app. Once we do that, we're gonna use their software. We're gonna pick the complete movie that we cleaned up. We're gonna remove this My Edit part. We're gonna disable the beginning part right here, and we're gonna disable the end part that says GoPro, and it's almost like it's for us. So we're gonna use their software now to chop up the video that we cleaned up. We're gonna pick a theme, and if you're familiar with GoPro Quick, you'll understand. Now that we've let the video make itself, we're gonna download into the phone. It's pretty simple, and it should download into 4K. I'm gonna get a nice picture now. So it's a simple process. This is in real time. Again, guys, it's my first time making a video. So download. My voiceover is horrible. I'm trying to follow the video. Once it's downloaded, right, we are going to go to Photos. In Photos, there's the video, clean, chopped up, and ready to go. So again, it's your boy David from the Eclectic Electric Transport. Thanks for joining me on my first video making a video. Peace. I'm out.